Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to create a Facebook page on iPhone and Android. If you enjoy this content, make sure to like, subscribe, and let's get started. So first, tap on Facebook, then tap menu, and tap see more. Scroll down and tap pages. Then tap create. Then tap public page and tap next. Then write a name of your page. For example, World Pets. Then return and tap next. Then select the categories of your page. For example, I'll select animals and pets. Then return and tap create. Then select the goals of your page. If you want to create a Facebook page for promoting your products or service, select this one. If you want to make a page Facebook for create a content, select this one. Then tap continue. And then fill your personal information like a bio, website, email, and phone number, and your address, your city, and zip code. After filling your page information, tap next. Then select a photo of your page. Tap this and tap more. I'll choose this. Then choose the cover of your page. Tap more. Select this. Then next. Then next. Done. Then close this, and congratulations, the Facebook page has been created successfully. So that's it, how you can create a Facebook page. Thank you so much for watching me. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe, and see you to the next video.